So this is the mini motorized deep brush cleaning head for the Dyson vacuum here. This is a replacement head. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So I have the Dyson V15 here. So this fits in here perfectly. It is a motorized head, so you can see the connection there. It fits perfectly on the vacuum, and it is motorized. So you can see there. That is super nice. And then it has this little bit of a swivel head here, so that as you use it, it angles, so that is really nice. It is very easy to take apart as well. You can just use a coin here to open this, and then if you want to clean out all the hair that gets stuck in there, you can do that very easily by taking that out. So very simple, and then just put it back together when you're done. So you can see I've been using it. I used it to clean some short carpet. It's not recommended for like deep pile carpet, but like a short, low pile carpet. Or you can use it for your car interior or sofa or whatever you need. So yeah, it works perfectly. It's really nice and powerful. Very nice and small, so it's very nice for cleaning the car. Like this. Okay, so I've got a little low pile carpet here. The dog's sitting around here, so there's a lot of dog hair here. Okay, this is very nice for cleaning this. And then you can see there, it sucked up a lot of hair. Got some in there. So yeah, there you go. If you're looking for a really nice little cleaning head there for all types of uses, make sure you check this out.